Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. You already know today is Fenty Friday. So I'm going to be giving you all a first impression of the new Fenty Beauty Concealer and Setting Powder. Now remember, this is just a first impression, but make sure you are subscribed and you hit that notification bell because on Monday I will be dropping a wear test video wearing these new products. So make sure you guys look out for that. I'm super excited, so let's go ahead and get started. So as we all know, Fenty dropped 50 shades of concealer and 8 shades of setting powder, and like, that's not even black girl magic at this point. It's black girl sorcery. I mean, what are the girls to do? So I picked up the Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 370. And I am in the shade 420 in the Fenty Beauty foundation. Now, I just want you all to be mindful. Don't go in Sephora and just say, hey, I'm 420, let me get the 420 concealer. Now, the concealer shades were meant to complement the foundation, but I did find a little bit of inconsistencies with that. And of course, this is like different for everybody and how they want their concealers to look. I tend to like mine a little more bright just because when I wear makeup, I'm like going all the way in because I don't wear it like every day. I did find that the 420 shade of concealer was darker actually than the foundation, or at least it seemed like it in the Sephora lighting. I also got the setting powder in the shade Banana. I do believe that for 420, Honey and the one after Honey, don't know what it's called, forgot, will work on our shades. So I think the concealer was $26 and the setting powder was $32. But as always, guys, I put everything down below in the description box for you guys to like easily check out on Sephora. I also linked down the primer and foundation that I'm wearing, which is Fenty as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and start putting on this concealer. Now I'm just going to put on a little bit in the areas that I normally highlight in. I don't want to go overboard because you don't want to, when you're trying out new products, go overboard and then it looks like a hot mess. So I'm starting with a little bit and I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty blender because I do that per usual every time that I put on concealer. So I'm using my beauty blender to put on the setting powder too. I like to tap off the beauty blender before going in with it on my face. That's just something that I like to do to prevent flashback. But don't worry, we're going to do a flashback test on this as well. And now I'm using a big fluffy brush just to brush away the excess powder. Okay, so far so good. This powder does not feel drying at all, and I was playing around taking pictures for the thumbnail and I kind of like let the powder sit on and it still removed flawlessly. Like, it's not super cakey up in here. Feels soft to the touch. Now this powder does have a soft scent in it, so if fragrances bother you, just make sure you go in Sephora and sniff it out. Or if you just know off the bat that you don't do fragrances at all, I wouldn't recommend this. But it's not strong at all. It's very, very slight. I like it. Not even gonna lie, it's way less fragrance than Huda products. So just putting that out there. I'm really liking the finish of these two products. Like, I can't even lie, like, I'm actually shook. Like, alright, so now I'm going to insert a picture of the flashback test. So I'm going to go ahead and sit that right here. There is not a lick of flashback, and I used a very, very, very light powder, which was Banana. You guys, no flashback. So these powders are truly translucent, meaning you won't see it. It can't be clocked, okay? And even though all of Fenty's products is like a soft matte formula and I have dry skin, it does really well on my skin. Like, I have no complaints right now. Oh my god. Ah! I'm going to add a little bit more of my Fenty Beauty Fussy Gloss Balm. Alright y'all, again, every Fenty product that I'm wearing on my face is going to be linked down in the description box, as well as my shades, just so that you guys know. Thank you so much for tuning into my Fenty Beauty review. But don't forget, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because Monday is the wear test, so you guys can see how these things perform throughout the day. Also, I'm going to be posting a quick little video using these products on my Instagram, so show your girl some love. My Instagram is linked down below, and it should appear on the screen somewhere. As always, I will see you guys in the next video, and happy Fenty Friday.